Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited because this is the final flip through of the actual junk journal that we have been making. So if you've been following along with this series, you'll obviously, be familiar with this journal anyway. If not, then welcome in. So before I get started doing the flip through, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who followed along with the series and those people who commented. Really encouraging and so supportive, because there were many times that I just thought, oh my gosh, what am I doing? This is so far out my comfort zone, but you all really encouraged me, and I felt really that people were enjoying the series, and I hope that they were. The comments suggested that people were. I really enjoyed doing the series, and I love how the journal has turned out. So obviously, if you followed along, you will know that I hadn't put the journal actually together. So, although you've seen kind of individual elements, I'm just raising the tripod, you haven't seen the journal in its entirety. So this is it. I have just put a couple of kind of fabric pieces here on the top ring, just to kind of tie it in, obviously, with kind of everything else that we've got in the journal. I have just bound the journal here with just some of the soft net that, again, we had used throughout the journal. So this was kind of the net from my daughter's skirt. I won't tell you what everything was, because if you followed along with the series, you're probably sick of hearing what things were. But, rest assured, it was all junk, which is a bit strange if you're stumbling onto this and thinking, my gosh, who would want to buy that? But hopefully somebody will. So obviously this is the cover. We've got this gorgeous flower here, some fabric trim, and the kind of ruffle here. Love how it looks. The back is just plain, and it's just been Mod Podged and kind of distress inked. Going inside the journal, here on the inside of the front cover, this was the piece from my shoe, if you recall, and we've just got here a little tag that we made. Just got some layered up pieces there and layered up pieces here, some stamping, and obviously rim on the back for journaling. So looks super pretty, I think. Got a little flower here. On this page here, we've got a little bow made with some fabric. We've got some ribbon trim, this lovely cupcake, junk journal flower down here, and then tucked in behind, we've just got this little kind of tuck in little booklet with some extra pages there for journaling. They were made from the brown paper bag, so that tucks in like that. Over the page, we've got this page with the shoes. We've got the ruffle, some little bunting and the corners, and this gorgeous fabric flower, little bow here, and then in the side of here we've just got a little kind of pad tucked in with some bits for journaling. So that's that one. Then here we've got the first of our plain pages. So these are kind of your plainer pages for pure, journaling. So there's several of those here, and, hopefully kind of give you a good amount, to kind of journal on. So that's all of those. Some more fabric ruffle down there, and I had kind of just stamped loosely or put some fabric or something on each page, hopefully, so that there was something kind of to look at. Then here on this page we've got this gorgeous dress, and tucked behind the dress, we've got this gorgeous tag, which I just left it as it was, just added some ribbon because I absolutely love this tag. I did put some gesso. Thank you to the person who corrected me and told me that it was called gesso, because obviously I hadn't been aware. And I have just distress inked around that. So that looked really pretty, I thought, just tucked in here behind the dress here as a kind of pocket. And then we've just got a little kind of fold out piece there of some coffee dyed paper that also tucks in kind of behind. Then going over the page here, we've just got this little belly band, and tucked in behind there we've just got a tag, a tag here with just some gesso again on it. I really liked it as it was, thought it looked pretty, and another one of those shopping list and some coffee dyed, that's been coffee dyed there. Obviously you've got some more journaling space here and around. Then this page, I love how the pages kind of, you know, when you put them together, they look so pretty against each other. So we've got the shoes here. This gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous turquoise kind of ribbon looks so pretty. And then we've just got a little kind of pad of the notes there that have all been coffee dyed. So again, kind of more room for journaling there. They just tuck in, oops, behind here. And then going over the page, we've just got here this large kind of corner tuck spot, and then tucked in there we've just got a little booklet with some coffee dyed pieces, you know, pages there. Just a bit of lace. I think it looks really kind of pretty in there, and obviously ties in because the shoes are the same shoes. Here on this page we've just got this little pocket down the bottom, little cupcake, some ribbon and a little fabric flower, and then we just tucked in, if you recall, just a little sheet of the note paper that's been coffee dyed, and a little fabric bunting at the top. And then this page here, love this page, I just love this couple, they just look so elegant and lovely. So here we've just got some obviously fabric ruffle, little junk journal flower and a little page tab there. And then just tucked in the side, we've just got literally a little piece that kind of matches colour wise, tucked in like that. Then here we've just got some more of the plain pages. So this one I've just popped on obviously some fabric ruffle in the same fabric, so it ties it in nicely. And then these are the wallpaper samples. So this is the wallpaper that I distress inked it and obviously ironed it out because it was quite crumpled. So you've got all of this room again as plain pages for journaling. Oops, and then that one just picked up a little holey there. And then on this page we've got, I think this was the first page that we did, and a bit of fabric ruffle down here and a cupcake. And that's just got this little booklet tucked in, again some more coffee dyed sheets of paper. And that's just got a fabric ruffle down there. And then going over the page, this page, we've got obviously the dress here, onto some fabric, junk journal flower, and then a pocket here at the side. And I finally used, obviously, if you recall, that birthday card, which I loved, and yeah, kind of was looking like I wasn't going to use it. So the back is obviously plain for journaling, but I just thought that looked quite nice tucked in here. And then this page, this was the page that I struggled with and did a complete U-turn of the original plan, if you recall. And it's got some fabric ruffle, a little velvet ribbon page turner thing, which is attached here to this pocket, little junk journal flower, and then tucked in the side, we've just got one of those little tea bag bags, and it's just got literally one of those little notes kind of folded over and popped into the packet or pocket like that. So I think that looks really pretty. That just tucks in there. And then going over the page, we've got this one, which this book page pocket, obviously you've got this cupcake which has been gessoed, and then you've got some more of that gorgeous turquoise ribbon. And then here, this was that little bow that we made from the Naked Bar wrapper, little cupcake on there, and a little clock there that I stamped. And then here, oh, that's just got folded over. I'll try and remember to glue that down. Another little kind of fold in, just a little booklet there of some sheets of paper. So that just tucks in here. And then tucked in behind there, there's another little folding kind of flip out. Oops. Oh, it's just got glue now on it. So this was again from the paper bag. So we've got this lovely image on the front, all kind of ties in nicely colour wise. And then inside you've just got a little folding kind of pad there with some extra sheets. So that's that one. Then here you've got some more sheets of the plain pages. So another one of the wallpaper there. And then some from the brown paper bag. And then some more sheets here, again from the wallpaper. Oops. So there's quite a lot of plain sheets in here as well, which I've just kind of stamped around and popped fabric on them. But, you know, so you've got kind of quite a few plain sheets too. And then this page here, we've got this pretty bow up here, page tab up here. And we've done like a book page pocket, but here with this kind of Goodwood Revival flyer. And we've got another little tea bag packet with, again, just popped in one of those little notes kind of pieces of paper in there. So, oops. Oh, I can't now get it open. Hold on. Oh, there we go. And the chandelier there looks really pretty. So tucked in here, we've just got this other piece of the calendar page that was just folded. It's all just been coffee dyed, and that just slots back in there. And then going over the page, this was that little booklet that we made from my daughter's sweet bag. So we've just got some little pages in there. It's also a pocket, so behind there we've just got this other little folding kind of booklet, which we just kept it simple, if you remember, and just stapled on some ribbon down the side. I can't remember if I put anything in. No, there's nothing in the bag, so that's still empty to be, you know, something go in there kind of by the owner. And then we've got some ribbon trim here, and obviously that pretty necklace up there, you know, kind of finishes that off. Then here we've just got a corner tuck spot, and tucked in behind there we've made another one of those little booklets. This time we opened it kind of backwards, and obviously you've got more room for journaling kind of in there. Love how this one looks, really pretty. So that just goes in like that, and then you've got some fabric ruffle and another junk journal flower down the bottom. This, oh no, not that one. Page turner I thought was attached to here, it's attached to the next one. Then here we've got another little folding booklet with some more pages for journaling there, and obviously you've got more journaling space here on the page, so that one looks really pretty, I think, with the fabric and things. And then here on this one we've got another kind of like a page pocket, and it's got another little tag popped in there, and by the looks of things I've actually left that empty and forgotten to put something in there. I'm not sure what I could now put in there, but I'll try and hunt something down, but obviously because this is junk, I'm not sure whether I'm going to manage to find anything that will tie in, because I did discard the rest of the things that I didn't use, so that might have to stay empty. On here we've got a little page turner, again kind of that's just from the calendar pages. Here, this was that glassine bag that we made from the cereal packet. I loved how that turned out. And then we've got this lovely image here. And then here we've got a cupcake from the bracelet, some stapled on ribbon down the bottom. And then tucked in here, we've just got a large tag that we made from the brown paper bag, layered up some bits and bobs on there, and a little fabric tab at the top. I think I did put something in here. Yep, we've got a little kind of pad here. So again, with little sort of pages, all coffee dyed, and then they were just stapled together at the top, and then covered that up with the lace trim. That just goes inside the bag. And then here on the inside of the back cover, we've got that gorgeous pocket page that we made with this lovely image from the birthday card and some fabric ruffles stapled down the side. And then tucked in here we've got another one of those little tea bags or packets with another one of those little note kind of pieces in there. So, and obviously the pink lace just ties it in colour wise really nicely with that page. Got that clock that we finally managed to use. Yeah, so that just whoops, tucks in there like that, and then we're back to the obviously back of the book. So it turned out huge, absolutely huge, very, very, very chunky. Hopefully kind of, you know, I can't remember who it was who said where would you journal. Hopefully kind of the blank pages in there and all the tags and pullouts and things kind of have, you know, answered that for you. I love how this turned out. I actually can't believe it was all made from junk. I think it looks so pretty. Hopefully you guys do too. I know that some people have said that they've been making their own junk journals. Again, I would really love to see kind of pictures of finished junk journals. If you had time or inclination or anything, then I would love to see those. Thank you so much. And obviously this will be listed in my Etsy shop. You know, I don't know whether anyone would even want to buy it. Obviously it seems a bit strange to anyone who didn't watch the series, you know, to be selling a kind of junk journal. But, you know, yeah, if you wanted to go and check it out, then details, obviously, you know, it will be linked below. So thank you very much for watching and tuning in for the flip through. And thanks again to everybody who watched the series. I had a really great time doing it, and hope that you guys really enjoyed it as well. So thanks very much, and I will see you again soon. Thanks then. Bye.